no home.
But I want to be home in
Montevideo.
Montevideo. Okay, so what do we?
So I'm at the side of the sun.
Yeah. Well, what is our plan for today?
Well, today we are going on a walking tour.
We're doing our own thing.
Yeah,
walking
doing our
tour.
own thing. We did apply for tours, but we didn't get any. We'll see how that develops throughout the cruise.
Yeah,
but we're okay.
Very safe port, very easy flowing. We're about. Old Town is just there.
Yeah.
So we're going to do the walking tour, which goes through many of the highlights that you've suggested, and then anything we miss we still want to do on our way back. So we've chosen a tour that kind of starts from the ship and walks into town, and then we'll make our own way back wherever we want to.
If we see anything that we like.
You're going to go and get some asado at the market.
Yes, hopefully Uruguayan steak.
Yeah,
is what
I'll
that
probably
is.
try
sausage.
a chivito.
A chivito sandwich.
I'll try a chivito sandwich.
Yeah, so we'll maybe take you through some Uruguayan food today as well. But you know, as with every day, we set out with these plans, and sometimes it doesn't happen. So we've
got a full day. The tour starts at 10. So
yeah, it finishes at 12:30, and then we don't have to be back till I think 4:30. So we've got
later than 4:30.
No, it's an earlier sail.
It's an earlier sail.
Yeah. But anyway, come with us as we explore the places where I last worked today as a crew member.
Yeah, 2 weeks here.
Yeah, I had 2 weeks here with COVID 3 years ago.
Lovely.
So, yeah, bad memories.
Right.
Let's turn that into something good today.
Enjoy.
Come with us.
Hello.
Off the ship. We have to do out the cabin, 5 steps, scan the cards, and then walk off the gangway. It was that close to the cabin today.
So, getting off the ship, we know we follow this green path all the way to the market.
And that's where we're
here we
starting
go.
the tour.
So we got to our walking tour knowing we weren't there needed for another 10-15 minutes, so we sat across the plaza, went over at a decent time, realising the guy had started with only 2 people, and it says on the website that the thing is cancelled if there's no more than 5 people. So
Connor nearly walked into a chair there, everyone.
Tried to dodge it, he wasn't looking at me. But there's another tour. So with the website Guru Walks, there's a tour going from the port.
Which we can recommend, by the way.
Yeah.
We've done many walking tours from there.
So from the port to Plaza de Independencia, or this one that we're doing is Plaza back to the port. So it works 2 ways, seeing different things or most of the same things, only a few other things. So we're now cutting up through all the pedestrian shopping streets to then get to Plaza quite quickly.
So crossing a busy road.
So it's just about a 20-minute walk, but the tour is about 2 hours. You walk through a lot of places in that 20-minute walk. It takes you over 2 hours.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We'll see take 2 on the walking tour.
Take 2. We'll see. Hope there's more people. Here we go.
Bye.
So we've made it to the square, we've met our tour group. There's a lot more people, so we're not going to feel outnumbered, but we can see the Artigas statue, we've got a photo of that, and we're all set for our tour. Here we go. Let's go. So yes, this was the Artigas monument, but we weren't actually allowed to get much closer because they were setting up for their presidential election in the area. So after we walked around it, we went to this theatre, and it was actually used for the As Amazing evening on the previous cruise. So we got to see the outside of it. Some of the guests were actually inside it a few nights previous on the As Amazing evening. So of course we had to get some lovely pictures, and of course we've got a snapshot with haggis. While walking down the main avenue, they have their own Hollywood Walk of Fame with different plaques commemorating different people, which was very interesting to try and spot a name if we knew it. This then brought us on to the museum, and we were able to see another statue towards Artigas, so we were able to get a much closer picture, and Haggis got to stand right beside him.
Hola.
Hello. Our tour doing pretty well.
Yeah.
So we're just into the very first square
Plaza.
of Montevideo. But yeah, tour's going really well. So we got some free time during this section, and the cathedral was right next to the park we were having our free time. Chris went and explored, whereas I decided to come into the church to show you the inside. It was a very peaceful moment, and there was actually a small service going on at the side where we could hear some beautiful choir singing. This was the meat market, the Asado building, and it was right next to where the cruise ship docked, so it has been turned into a tourism hub with lots of stores that sell souvenirs and not just restaurants. It was quite a cultural hub with a strong variety of restaurants and price ranges depending on what you were interested in or the experience you were wanting to have. We went looking, as always, we are on a budget, and we went looking for a good deal for us to get a nice steak and a drink included. But it was lovely to watch many of the restaurants cooking in front of us.
Hello.
Hello.
We're here at the steak restaurant in Montevideo. We went around about 5 and not many people spoke English.
We were saying no, we were leaving, but I think one person in English
convinced us.
Gave us a deal, still expensive, but gave us a deal.
Two ribeye steaks with 2 sides for $26.
So we've got our drinks, we've also been getting bread and butter.
But Connor doesn't know if it's chargeable.
If it's chargeable or not. Plus there's going to be a tip included, I imagine, so...
Oh, for God's sake.
We'll just see what comes.
We'll see what
We're
happens.
here once.
Yeah, it shouldn't be more than $50.
But yeah, we got our wee knick-knack to take back on the ship. Once we're done here, that's us, we're done for our day in port.
Yeah, we'll just have a nice afternoon, maybe go to the whirlpool.
Yep, we'll actually spend some time on board while we're still in port.
We've got 2 more sea days. First 2 sea days. Look at the birdies behind you.
No, I'll just turn it around.
This restaurant's full of birds, but no hour time.
But yes, so we'll see what our
we'll wait to see what
no idea what's coming.
I have asked for it well done, but if it's bleeding, I'll not be happy.
But we'll just take what comes.
Take as we get it. So
there we go.
Let's see. Hello viewers, Chris here reporting to you today from a weed shop. Couldn't say that too loud. But yes, I'm here with Connor Matthew. Hi Connor.
Hello.
What are you doing today, Connor?
I've got a mate.
A what?
A mate.
And what's a mate?
A cup of tea.
A cup of tea.
Yes, it is.
The traditional tea.
Yeah. But it's the only place our tour guide said we would get a mate, because a mate is more of a personal social drink rather than ordering a coffee in a shop.
But it stinks of weed.
We didn't realise it would be a cannabis shop. But anyway.
Yeah. I mean, we are playing a game of dominoes on the table. But yeah, it's got a nice setup. You drink it, you pour more water in, you drink again. So I'm a few games of dominoes. But yeah, we'll stay with the taste test. Here it is. So he knows he's got to look okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
That's fine. It's a tea.
Good.
Yeah, all good.
Oh, good. A mate in Montevideo. And then we've changed seats. Time for my turn to have a drink of this now. Cheers. Oh, it's a bad aftertaste.
What you said the tea leaves didn't go in your mouth.
We don't. Anyway, that'll be enough for Chris. What do Chris and Connor do when they're on holiday, everybody? Connor films at least a lot more, but we play a game of chess.
Now, I think this is one of the highlights of travelling without knowing where you're going. We were heading back to the ship, we had ended our day, and we came across on a side street this cafe that was selling what we'd been looking for all day and Chris had spoke about in his talk. And I just think it was very special that we had to go in, and we did buy a treat for ourselves to take back on ship, but I'll let ourselves explain to you.
So we were heading back. We just bumped into the actual chocolate shop that we were trying to look for things all in the shops. So we found the actual cafe. So we picked up one each already to go back on the ship.
Yeah, we'll maybe show you us digging in later on.
Yeah, in the cafe on board.
Cafe Mosaic.
Cafe Mosaic on board. But yes,
anyway.
We're heading back to the ship after a great day in port.
Yes.
Been really good. Filled out really well. So we're now heading back on board.
This isn't the farewell.
I know it's not farewell.
Thought he was doing the farewell.
The update. So,
Port is
Now, we often put a lot of trust in our GoPro and we think it can do a lot, but the ocean wind was just too much for us. So here's us saying farewell, a review of our day, but you can't hear a single word. So Chris, you tell us.
I'm just contemplating what shirt I'm wearing there. Well, Connor, what did we do? We walked, we talked, we ate steak, and then that was it.
With a few stop-offs in between, but overall, a great day.
Yes, and that is us signing out from Montevideo, Uruguay. Next time we're in
Rio!